today's Wordle answer for number 1105 on Friday, June 28, 2024. It's Friday, players, and the Daily Wordle Challenge is here, so get ready to sharpen your linguistic skills and guess the mysterious 5-letter word. Will you solve it in one attempt or need all 6 chances? Use our hands to solve today's Wordle Challenge in no time without risking any attempt. Number of vowels. In today's Wordle, the game developers have added 2 vowels. Starting letter. Keep in mind that today's word begins with a vowel. Letters that represent certain speech sounds, specifically sounds that involve blocking the air before it leaves the mouth, such as with the tongue, lips, or throat. Double letters. Wordle does not have any double letters today. Meaning of the word. Today's Wordle refers to a command given by someone. The rules of Wordle are simple. It will be best if you guessed a 5-letter word by typing any word of the same length. The game will tell you which letters are in the correct position in green, which letters are in the word but not in the right position in yellow, and which letters are not in the word at all in gray. You must use this feedback to narrow your guesses and find the hidden word. Here comes the spoiler. Today's Wordle answer is D-R-O-V-E, drove.